Guys, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Morph Studio to create amazing AI videos for absolutely free. You want to head over to morphstudio.com, guys, and you can easily get started by clicking the get started for free button here on the left hand side, and just simple sign in with your Gmail account or your Discord, whichever one you choose. Now select your email address if you choose Gmail, and you'll be taken right into the Morph Studio. Here you can easily create whatever video you want by simply hitting the create on the left hand side, and you will be taken over here where you can easily upload whatever videos you want to create and just start working on those videos. Now if you have any ongoing project, you'll be able to find those projects here on the left hand side by simply going to my projects, and you'll be able to see what are the videos that you're currently working on. Now as you can see in my case here, I've been working on videos, and if you click on the video here, it's currently exporting here. But if you want to create something, you just need to go ahead and upload whatever you want to upload, and you can go ahead and you can start styling and working with Morph Studio. Now as the purpose of this video saying that here you can use it for free, so I want to share with you how you can do that. Now if you go over to the upgrade button on the upper right hand side, when you get started, you get started with 200 credits. However, if you scroll down here, you will see that once you sign up you get 200 credits, but daily the free account will give you 100 credits per day. That's something like one video generation per day. So if this is something that you want to use and you want to exploit, and one video for per day is enough for you, you can use it for absolute free. But I want to recommend that upgrading is absolutely a no-brainer, because what you get, it's simply mind-blowing. You can do a lot more, you can generate a lot more with Morph Studio. So the prices are really good, and if you want to upgrade, you can simply go ahead and upgrade, whether per year or per month. You can basically choose whichever you want. Upgrading annually gives you 20% off, and that's it. Or if you want to just simply get credits, you can choose to just upgrade and just get a few credits. They're pretty cheap as well, so you don't have to upgrade per plan or per subscription, but you can go and just get the amount of credits that you want to get started and start using it. And that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and use the Morph Studio for free. Very easy and very simple.